What's going on? It's a little different video, but I just thought you guys should know. The only reason why I got this is because I registered it, but the company Gree, who makes dehumidifiers, they make a bunch of things. All these names: Danby, Frigidare, Kenmore, SoleusAir, all their dehumidifiers, they're being recalled for a major fire issue. I've called mine. There's a website. It's, where's it at? Gree Dehumidifier Recall.com. The only thing they need is on the back here. You got your serial number, and then there's a time code. Come over here. Anyway, I guess what they do is they're going to send you something to ship it back. This is mine. I've got two of these actually. But you don't need a receipt anyway, so if you bought yours used, it doesn't matter. The only thing they need is this number right here, and then the date code. That's it, the serial number and the date code. So if you have one of these dehumidifiers, I think they say all the way from 20 all the way up to 70 pints. Yeah, 20 all the way up to 70 pint dehumidifiers. Call them up. There's a number on here too, right there. Call them up. Don't want your place burning down. Later.